Hi, my name is Santino. This is Crypto Kid Podcast. I'm going to be talking to you guys about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency.
Okay, Crypto Nation, it's your boy Santino Peralta here at Crypto Kid Podcast, and I saw an article from Bloomberg today, and it was actually posted yesterday, August 15th, 2019 at 3:34 p.m. ED time. Okay? And the name of the author is, or the name of the person who wrote the article is Liony Brownie? Well, I'll give you the name of the article. It's IRS sends second round tax warnings to cryptocurrency investors. Alright. And that kind of shocked me a little bit. I didn't even know about the first one. Well, actually, I did know about the first one, but the second round, I guess they're taking it a little bit more seriously. Because we all know the IRS has their own law enforcement. And they consider criminal tax evasion. You know, they take that very seriously, and they want their money, pretty much. Uncle Sam is going after his piece of the pie, and this is just my opinion. So I'm just saying, definitely opened up my eyes a bit about making sure the taxes are paid and doing things legally, and not have the fuzz come down on me. So that'll be another thing that I need to do and add to my learning, and make sure get everything prepared for tax season. But before we get into what the article has to say, I'm going to cut off to a sponsor ad. So hopefully you enjoy it and it sparks some curiosity out of you. So I'll be right back after this message.
Starting your own podcast can sound like a difficult process. You may have a lot of questions, such as how do I record episodes? How do I attract an audience? And can I make a profit from podcasting? Luckily, Anchor had answers to all my questions and more. Anchor is a one-stop shop for recording, hosting, and distributing your podcast. Best of all, it's 100% free and ridiculously easy to use. And now, Anchor can match you with great sponsors who want to advertise on your podcast. That means you can get paid to podcast right away. In fact, that's what I'm doing right now by reading this ad. I use the Anchor app to create podcasts about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. I love its simplicity and how easy it is to use. To get started with your podcasting journey, visit anchor.fm/start.
Back again with another segment. So let's get started, okay? Some cryptocurrency investors are revealing a new round of letters from the Internal Revenue Service telling them that their federal taxes returns don't match information received from virtual currency exchanges. A new front in the agency of the industry. The letter acknowledged that trading exchanges, not the taxpayers, may have made the errors. Okay, so apparently there's been some shady business going on. The letters are a fresh signal that the IRS is increasing its force on cryptocurrency taxes compliance after first being slow to stay abreast of the growth industry. The agency's top criminal chief has described digital and virtual currencies as a significant threat to tax collections and said agencies will soon announce criminal tax evasion something case. In 2017, the IRS won a landmark lawsuit that required digital currency exchange Coinbase to hand over data on customers who bought or sold at least 20,000 in cryptocurrencies from 2013 to 2015. Wow. Okay. Did not know that, but the sounds like it's yeah, I'm sorry, that just shocked me. But anyways, moving forward. The letters which accounted say clients began receiving in recent weeks are in addition to mailing the IRS began sending the late July to more than 10,000 investors, warning that they may owe taxes on cryptocurrency transactions. Some letters told recipients that they may be unaware of their tax obligations and urged them to file amended or delinquent returns, I guess. A harsher version gave other recipients a deadline to respond in written or disclose crypto dealings from 2013 to 2000 through 2017. Unlike its release of the three-letter types, the IRS didn't formally announce its mailing of the latest letters. Instead, a page about what the latest letters mean and require appeared on the agency's website. We receive information from a third party, such as employers and financial institutions, that doesn't match the info you reported on your tax returns. The website says it adds that this may cause an increase or decrease in your taxes or may not change at all. The latest letters are unusual, but because they are targeting a class of investors, said Timothy Species of Ellisner Umper LLP Personal Wealth Advisors Practice. The first volume of letters I call warning letters. Now the IRS is saying we got the records. A spokesman of the IRS who requested because of the agency rules said that the latest letter will go out to a taxpayer any time of the agency detected a mismatch between trading profits or losses that tax papers report on the returns and that third parties reports is IRS through forms known as 1099-B. The person denied to say how many crypto taxpayers had received the latest letter, but added that they typically go out to 1 or 2 years after a taxpayer has filed a return. The IRS deemed cryptocurrency assets to property either than current currency in 2014. The last time its only guidance came out, that means the agency tax crypto profits loses like those for stocks at capital gain rates. IRS Commissioners Charles Reetage has promised further guidance about how record cryptocurrency transactions on tax returns. Accountants have said that they lack of official rules from the agency has meant many crypto investors and their tax advisors frequently to have guess out how to comply with the law and pay all the tax they owe. So that's good. Make sure you keep up on your taxes also and comply to just obey the rule of law, most importantly, and don't have the fuzz crack down on your stuff either. Just be smart with what you do, trade with due diligence, and do your homework. So there's a lot of stuff. When you're an adult, if you're listening to this as a teenager, when you're an adult, there's a lot more responsibilities, and they really don't teach us that in the public school system here in the United States. And if the public school just taught us how to keep up with innovation and keep up with trends and learn financial responsibility, most importantly, like really take seriously on how to make money, how to own a business, how to start a business, and how to pay your taxes. They should be teaching that in school. Much more than other stuff, but so they prepare us for success in the real world, and the teachers, they have to be doing it because they love it and because they want to see their pupils succeed in life and to do big things in the world. Isn't that why we have education, to read and write things and to discover new inventions and to bring your ideas and creativity to reality? So that's what I like to say. Thank you, Crypto Nation, for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time here at Crypto Kid Podcast.